hope you all are doing well. Cold has gotten like to the worst part. Hopefully it doesn't last for too long, because honestly I'm already over it. I'm so tired. But yeah, so today is just going to be kind of like a very lazy day. Lazy sick day. I don't really have anything crazy planned, and I can't really do a lot or like speak for too long because my throat actually hurts. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just going to get like soup or so. Oh yeah, I want to make soup. That's what I want to do. So I'm currently editing a video. I'm trying to edit that so I can have it ready. I think we're gonna go and make some pepper soup because I really need something to soothe my throat right now. I haven't taken any cough syrup because I know this is obviously viral. And honestly, cough syrup just suppresses the symptoms. It doesn't actually help get rid of the cold or make it go any faster. It just suppresses the symptoms. So I'm just going to do like more natural remedies and like actually cook something. The kitchen is currently a mess. My sister is meant to do the dishes. She hasn't gotten to that yet, but eventually, I guess. Anyways, I'm just going to make some pepper soup like I said, and hopefully that helps me. But I'll show you guys how I make my pepper soup. Make it extra spicy so it can really just soothe my throat. So I have my protein here. I actually defrosted this like from last night, just so it's ready for today. I have some goat meat, salmon, and some I don't know what kind of fish this is, but basa steak, I guess, fish. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna use this and the goat meat. Alright guys, I know I sound really bad. I can't help it. But yeah, so I'm just going to wash the fish and the meat and then put it to a boil. Freshly cleaned protein. Now I'm going to add some onions, garlic, all that. Alright, so the meat is coming to a boil. I'm gonna add onions, ginger, and garlic. And I'm gonna start adding my seasoning, Maggi, first of all. So we're gonna add a lot of pepper, okay? So I want it to be really spicy. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add some peppers just because it's almost ready. I'm gonna add some peppers to it because these have a lot of vitamin C in them, so you know, that'll just help to make me feel better. The fish is obviously very cooked because it's starting to separate. I should have put it later. Put the meat first, then put the fish later. But let me see if the meat is soft. I feel like the meat is still quite chewy. Usually I would add like a lot of like spinach and lemons and stuff like that, just to really make it like antioxidants, like strong, if that makes sense. But I don't have any spinach right now or lemon at home, so this will do, to be honest. I think this should be good enough because I put a lot of ginger and garlic in there, so that should really help to just, you know, it smells so good. See, the bay leaves make such a difference because it adds this like very interesting like aroma and taste to your food. So you guys should give it a try if you've never tried bay leaf before. Okay, I'll leave it for like another 10 minutes. With this, you could actually add like noodles into it and make it like, you know, like a noodle soup type of thing. Or rice, or yeah, pretty much anything. But I really just want the soup right now. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get some and eat because I'm really hungry. But I think it's pretty much done at the moment. So. These scamming people, they keep calling my phone. Annoying. But yeah. Anyways, it's time to eat. I should have actually put the fish last because the way the thing's separated is so annoying. I think I'll just drink my iced tea. YOLO! Ooh, it's making my ear itch because it's so hot. It's getting there, like it's really tingling like in my throat. And that's what I want. Yes, so today's Sunday, and I really want to go to church, but I feel like I'm actually really contagious right now. So I think I'm just going to like live stream the service. It's currently 11:31. Once it gets to like 11:55, I'll put the live stream on and then watch the service online. But yeah, see y'all in a bit. That was kind of cool. Oh, yes, adore Him, Christ, the Lord, so worthy. Praise His name forever. You are Christ, the Lord. It's actually on my bucket list to one day go to this main church because I just feel like the experience would just be so much different, you know. But honestly, this church changed my life. Like the messages, the worship, everything, just A1, A1, honestly. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna keep watching the service and the sermon, and I'll see you guys after. Hi guys, so I finished watching the sermon, and I literally just laid down for like an hour or two. But I feel much better. The soup definitely helped a lot because my throat isn't hurting as much, which is good. But yeah, so now I'm just going to take a shower, hot shower, just to kind of really clear out my sinuses and just relax. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I don't have anything interesting to talk about or show you guys today. But I showed you my soup recipe. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to use today to just relax and recover and yeah, get myself back into shape. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.